channel. Today we're gonna learn how to make ice cream sandwich cake. So today's my son's birthday and I'll make him an ice cream sandwich cake. And this is the ingredients we're gonna use. So I went to the store and bought 2 boxes of 12 packs of ice cream sandwiches. So we're gonna use 24 sandwiches. And then we're gonna use one container of Cool Whip. So the first thing we're gonna do is do our first layer of sandwiches, and I'm just putting them the opposite. So one side strawberry, one side chocolate, and I'm gonna keep on going until I finish the first layer. Once we put the first layer, we're just gonna add a little bit of chocolate syrup on the top of the sandwich, just a little bit, just like 2 little lines, so the other sandwich would stick to it, just so it won't move after I put the whip on it. So here we're starting our 3rd layer. I think we're gonna make it 4 layers high. So we finish our 3rd layer. Now we're gonna add some syrup so we could just stick them together. And we're gonna start our 4th layer. And this is such a good treat for like if you have a party and you wanna do something different. And especially right now with the heat, with the summer, you want to do something that's nice and fresh, you could do this. It doesn't have to be like a birthday cake. It could be just a party cake or your party dessert. The only thing, just remember to try to be as fast as you can, because your sandwiches are going to start to melt. My refrigerator's pretty it froze everything pretty good, so far so good. They're not melting as fast as I thought they would. So now we're done. Now we're gonna put our outside layer to make it look like a cake and then decorate it. So now we have our Cool Whip. Just make sure that it's not super soft. You want it to be a little bit hard, because if not, it's going to start to melt your sandwiches. So I took it out of the fridge a little while ago. So see, this one's, the top is a little frozen. This is going to be so nice and pretty. So you want to give it a little layer, not too thin. And we're going to do it as fast as we can so we could put it in the freezer. And once we're done with the whip on our cake, we're going to put it in the freezer for about 4 hours. And once it's nice and frozen, we're going to take it out and then decorate it. Because that's what we don't want. We don't want the other ice creams to start to change the color on the outside of your whip. So what I'm doing, if it gets dirty, I'm putting it on this lid, and I'm not gonna put it back in the same container. So we're gonna put a whip up here, and we're gonna keep on going until we finish decorating it. So there we are. We just finished doing all the sides of whip. I think I have just a little corner to fix here. And now we're ready to put it in the freezer. And we'll take it out in 4 hours once it's nice and hard and we have all the whip and then we'll decorate it. It's gonna be a nice and delicious cake. So delicious. And this is my ice cream cake made of pure sandwiches.